What is going on, guys? Barber CVO in the building. We're here at Harley Davidson in I believe it's Toronto. I don't know exactly how to even say that, Harley Davidson, so if you could just see right there, we came around. It's about an hour and 10 minutes from Niagara Falls, and we just arrived here. It's about 9:30 in the morning. I'm gonna be here from 9:30 to 10:30. I had a few subscribers that I think they were gonna come. It's a little early, so I gave them till like about 10:30 just to hang out. We're gonna check out the Harley dealership. Beautiful. Check it out. Wow, look at that. So we got like some bikes over here. Again, we got Rob's CVO here. Check it out. Bomb. It looks pretty cool. Then we got another orange bike over there, and I think this is like a Rokin. Very nice. So they just opened up. So it's around 9:30 in the morning. We got a nice orange Rogue light here. I don't know exactly what year it is. Very nice. Tour pack. All right. So the surrounding area, I heard this was an actual car dealership. See, they got a Mazda over there, they got a Volkswagen over here, Mitsubishi over there, and so they took it over and then they made this. All right, let's go inside, check it out. Oh snap, I need my mask. All right, so first impression of the Harley Davidson's, really nice inside. Very nice floors, nice and clean. We got some stuff over here. Every Harley Davidson dealership is always a little different, but it's pretty good though. Take a test ride today. I have to ask this lady, how in the world do you say this Harley Davidson name? Hello.
Morning.
I have a question. How do you pronounce this dealership?
Mississauga Harley Davidson.
Mississauga Harley Davidson. All right. Mississauga. Pretty nice stuff. Okay, guys, so we're here in Toronto. We met with a subscriber that actually came out and met with us.
Greg, like and subscribe to this guy's channel, man. Awesome channel. I had to meet him today. It's awesome.
What kind of bike you have?
Special.
Okay.
Bike special. I got the Legend suspension front and back.
Sweet.
Reinhardt exhaust. Stage 2. Some bigger bars. And
What size bars are those?
Those are 12-inch.
Okay.
Yeah. I got a little long arms,
Oh,
so
12?
it helps.
Oh yeah, it is 12.
Yeah. And yeah, the stage 2 is good enough for now. But I did some lights.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I did some rear
Ciro?
fog lights. Those are Ciro. Yeah, Ciro 3D.
Mm-hmm.
And then I fogged out the front. Oh, an LED light at the front. The Daymaker.
Oh nice.
Keep spending, right? That's
Keep
how it
spending.
is.
That's all it is. That's what they call HD, $100.
Yeah.
You got chin spoiler there.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's from Dirty Bird.
Okay.
Yeah.
Dirty
And
Bird.
these I got to paint still. I got these side spoilers.
Okay,
the
you gotta
side
repaint
skirts.
them?
Yeah, I got to send them in. I'm gonna do that in the winter.
Nice.
And in a couple months. Oh, and the Adam Sandoval seat. Really good seat.
Oh really?
Yeah, really good seat. Yeah, I got the backrest too. Very
Oh, look at his
comfortable.
logo right there.
Yeah, ESL. Yeah, it's really nice.
Is this like
Comfortable.
the
It's got gel.
thickest one they make, or they have?
Yeah, but it's low, but it's got a gel in there. The gel
Really?
seat. Yeah, and I got the backrest. If you
Oh,
want
and it has a back rest?
Yeah,
oh, I might have
you-
to sit down and try that.
adjustable. Yeah, it's really good seat.
Oh,
Try it
man.
out. Really comfortable.
All right. So you got the intake. Now you squeezed it in this intake, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I bought these later. I didn't
Yeah.
realize it's gonna be.
Oh,
too
yeah,
big.
yeah.
But I got the lower.
You know, if you would have got the mini ones,
I know.
it'll fit. Which, that's the mini right there.
I did this first.
That's the mini.
Yeah, I know. I got it. Well, I did this first.
Mm-hmm.
These were like months later.
Okay.
So I wasn't. I didn't have lowers, but yeah.
All right.
Yeah,
That's
right
good.
part. Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah, blacked out. But that might be next.
He said he wants to get that bike next. Oh man. All right, guys, he's gonna take us on a little tour around Toronto, downtown, and the Lake Shore, and tune in. dead?
What?
It's very like dead.
Yeah. People are not fully open yet. You guys are really open.
Yeah.
So a lot of restaurants and stuff, we're only at 50% capacity.
Oh.
So if you have 100 seats, you only allow 50.
Right.
Plus it's early morning, that's why.
True. We made it here to downtown Toronto. Beautiful area, beautiful skylines, great buildings. Look at that. What I've noticed is that here is very, very clean. Everything's very, very nice and clean. Beautiful, beautiful area. That guy's jamming right there. Look, he's practicing. He's jamming. I don't know if he's jamming or running. All right, so we're gonna take a picture right here in the part that says Toronto, and then we're gonna get a bite to eat, and then we're heading home. We got about 7 hours or so heading home. All right. Thank you for showing us around in Toronto, man. I appreciate it. Thank you. All right.